Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have got a Hobby Lobby Christmas haul for you guys. If you have been to Hobby Lobby lately, you know that everything is 50% off just about, and my Hobby Lobby was crazy. So I did pick up some really great items though. If you're interested in seeing what I picked up, go ahead and stick around for this video. So I'll go ahead and I'll start with the reason that I went to Hobby Lobby in the first place, and it was to get a garland for my fireplace back here for Christmas. I have a garland that I've used over the past few years and it just doesn't match what I'm going for anymore. So I wanted to go and I wanted to get something more towards the style of what I was going with this year, which is kind of like Farmhouse Christmas. And so I went to Hobby Lobby and I ended up figuring something out, and that is, if you buy the materials to make your garland or anything like that, your wreath, it's going to be so much cheaper than to just straight up buy it. A lot of their garlands were like $100, so half of that, $50. I feel like you could go and buy the things to make it for so much cheaper. So I decided to go that route. I am, like I said, I'm doing like a farmhouse Christmas theme this year, and I wanted something very like southern. I live in Oklahoma, which I know a lot of people are like, that's not as southern as it could be, but we do still consider it the South down here. So I wanted to grab something like this. I believe this is called lamb's ear. It doesn't say, but I believe this is lamb's ear. And it's just a normal garland. I didn't even buy it in the Christmas section. I actually got it just back in the floral section. It was originally $19.99, so I just paid right around $10 for it. And then I bought some things to go along with it. So from the Christmas section, I did pick these up. I want to do a flocked look this year. My Christmas tree is not flocked, so I'm trying to figure out ways to make it look flocked without actually having to go and do it myself. I'll probably end up buying a flocked tree maybe next year, maybe this year, I don't know, but probably not. So I decided that I would grab some things that looked flocked to add into my garland. And these were from the Christmas section. They were $3.99, so they were half of that. So I paid about $2 for these. And they are the, I believe they're eucalyptus. Again, it doesn't say, but I believe that they're eucalyptus. So it just looks like flocked eucalyptus. I plan on adding it in to this garland, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but I think it's going to be so beautiful. Be on the lookout for my Christmas decor video. I'm going to do a decorate with me, and then I'll also do a home tour telling you guys where I got everything. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. That way you don't miss that. I also thought it would be really, really cute to buy a bunch of the sprigs of the lamb's ear to stick in my Christmas tree to tie it all together. So I went over to the floral section. People were going cray-cray in the Christmas section. You couldn't even get up and down the aisles. People were kind of being rude, like taking over areas of aisles with their moms and friends and discussing their decor ideas and things like that. And I was just trying to look. But anyways, so these are just the floral accents. They were $1.99. They were half of that. So I only paid $1 each for these. I think I picked up 10. If I remember correctly. But again, it's just the lamb's ear, so I do plan on sticking these in my Christmas tree. I'm going for a very like southern Christmas tree. I hope that my idea turns out. We will see. I also went ahead and I picked up a small one of these buffalo check. This says it's gift trim, but my store was completely out of buffalo check except for with the wrapping paper, so I went ahead and I picked this up. It was $4.99, so it was half of that. I am still on the lookout for the big buffalo check. I did find it in the floral section, but it was full price and it was ridiculously priced. So I'll be on the lookout for cheaper black and white buffalo check because it's kind of the theme I'm going with this year. But if you can't find it at your store, go look in the wrapping paper section. That's where I was able to find this one. I have been on the lookout for some buffalo check placemats. I did end up finding these at Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99, so I paid $2 for them. I think I'm going to leave them as placemats, but if I don't, I may stuff them as pillows. I haven't decided yet, but I did pick up 2 of them. This one's probably my favorite out of all of them though. I really love the edge of it right here. I picked up this for my coffee bar. Again, I will be doing a video over my coffee bar, so be on the lookout for that. but this one was $5.99, so I paid just around $3 for it. I think these are so pretty and the quality is great. I think it's gonna look so good on my coffee bar under my Keurig machine, and yeah, it's just so beautiful. This definitely reminds me of Christmas. And my last item that I got from Hobby Lobby are these gift tag stickers. I love them because they're already adhesive. They have the little wood back, and then they have the little truck with the tree on them. So this is what they look like. They're really cute. They're nice and big. I kind of like it like this. You can just write whatever you want on there, stick it to your present. You don't have to worry about it. This was priced at $2.99, but it was half of that. So I paid just about $1.50, and there are 30 in here. Alright, you guys, so that was my Hobby Lobby haul this week. I'm sure I'll be going back there getting closer to time. My plan right now is to have my Christmas decor video out either the next day after Thanksgiving, right around there, so be on the lookout for it. Be sure to subscribe, that way you don't miss it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!